Ya. Oye, Manuel. सर मेरे फोन में ले लो, मैं दे दूंगी आपको।
मेरे फोन में लिया आपने?
मेरे फोन में लिया सर।
सचिन रेड्डी सचिन रेड्डी
करेंगे नहीं, अब आप करेंगे या मैं करूँगा?
आप करोगे मेरे लिए।
Can you look here? See you at Tata Marathon next.
Thank you.
Did you enjoy that song we have?
Yes, that's so
We'd like to request you to please leave the venue so we can start preparations for the next show.
सर जी सामने आप
सर एक स्टेप इधर आइए सर सर इसमें एक सर के साथ भी
सेटिस अरे यार भाई क्या हो गया
आइए आइए
पहले आप दोनों की फिर
पहले आप दोनों सर मैडम यहाँ से स्टार्ट कीजिए हाँ ये सर
और यहाँ पे देखिए सामने यहाँ
सामने देखिए हाँ
सिटी सर, मिस्टर सेठी, हमारी कर्णधार आ जाइए प्लीज। मेरा डिजाइनर सेठी आपको सीओई के
सर जस्ट कम क्लोजर
हाँ जरा कम क्लोज यार
पवन जरा सबको बुला लो ना।
सर एक फोटो करें सर
सर फर्स्ट पिक्चर प्लीज यार
करिए।
मैम मैम
हाँ आ गए समन सर आप पीछे आ जाओ थोड़ा
पीछे
कम है सामान
ये थोड़ा आगे है ना पीछे ना
मैं आ जाओ पीछे सर सामने देखिए पहले थैंक यू सर
Can everybody just move in a little closer? थोड़ा पास की वो एक अच्छा टाइट शॉट आ जाएगा ना? She's coming. Sir.
that shot is in
I'll do another shot. I know.
Can you please बोले शो के बारे में। जैसे ही मैं यहाँ पर आया तो सायोनी जो प्रिंसेस का मुकुट पहन के आई हुई हैं, सायोनी मैम जो ये कोलकाता से खास आए हैं हमारे टेलीग्राफ से, उन्होंने सबसे पहले ये पूछा कि मतलब आप दोनों को ही ऑल ऑफ यू फाउंड द शो टू बी वेरी डिफरेंट एंड नाइस। सो क्या आप जानना चाहेंगे कि ये नवधारा खादी क्यों हमने रखा, इसके पीछे जिन्होंने कॉन्सेप्ट दिया, खादी डेनम जिन्होंने बनवाया पवन से, तो ये जो नई चीज हुई है इसके बारे में आप कुछ पूछना चाहेंगे? पहले आप
मनोज सर पहले आप प्लीज।
पूछेंगे या मैं स्टार्ट?
थोड़ा अपने दिल से बताइए, फिर पूछेंगे सब सवाल प्लीज। दिल से, क्योंकि ये चीजें तो दिल से ही बनती हैं।
मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग पिछले काफी सालों से बापू की इस विरासत को हमारे जो देश का यूथ है उस तक कैसे पहुंचाएं, ये कॉन्सेप्ट इसके पीछे है, इसके पीछे है हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी की खादी फॉर नेशन, खादी फॉर फैशन, खादी फॉर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की थीम। हमारी थीम है कि हमारे बच्चे खादी को पहचाने, हमारी परंपरा को पहचाने, वो पहचाने हमारे स्वदेश के भाव को, वो पहचाने आत्मनिर्भर भारत को, वो पहचाने वोकल फॉर लोकल को, वो पहचाने हम कौन है, हमारी परंपरा क्या है, हम लोग इसके पीछे उसका एक साइंस है। अब देखिए खादी वो सस्टेनेबल भी है, वो एक बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है जिसमें आप जब गर्मी में पहनते हैं तो गर्म, ठंडा सर्दी में पहनते हैं तो गर्म। ऐसी खादी जिसमें अगर 1 मीटर कपड़ा बनना है तो सिर्फ 4 गिलास पानी लगता है, और अगर वही मिल से बना हुआ हो तो आप सोच सकते हैं कि उसमें पानी का कंजम्पशन कितना होगा। ये सारी चीज़ें हमें सस्टेनेबिलिटी की तरफ ले जाती है, ये ले जाती है नव धारा की तरफ, ये ले जाती है नए भारत की खादी की तरफ। थैंक यू।
आप कुछ प्रश्न पूछना चाहेंगे? In English is also fine.
I'm going to bring the mic to you. Let me get it. I mean, it's important.
To all the designers, Pawan, Saman, Shruti, amazing, really. Personal favorite. Sorry, all of them were nice, but yours was best. Personal favorite. But very different expressions of khadi. Pawan, Saman, Shruti, if you could talk about experimental, really global, treating it as a global fabric rather than just India made. India made, of course, but India modern and very global. So, what were the expressions that you chose when you started working on this project, all the 3 designers?
So I'll speak on behalf of all three or four of us. The idea of this show was Navdhara, which is the new generation, also the new future. So basically all of us depicted different aspects of Khadi. So that was the entire idea, and I luckily got the youthful aspect, so maybe that resonates more because youth is the future. And of course now the time has come that Khadi, though, it's a very, very old fabric and started in 90, in India it's not a fabric, it's a movement. And if we had something called national fabric, it would be Khadi. But in 1923, when the Swadeshi movement started, what was relevant then, we cannot keep on doing the same things now. And as we were made aware by the unique properties of Khadi, it is time that the world sees it. So in our own little ways, Samant, me, Pawan, all of us have tried to make it look global, and it's time our fabric, which is no longer humble, it is a very, very unique fabric, it reaches the world.
So I use a lot of khadi for my Indian wear, which is khadi silk. And at the same time I do a different line, which is streetwear. In that I use the regular denim which you see in the market. First time ever I've tried my hands on khadi. Believe me, it's such a comfortable fabric, breathable, soft. It feels like a second skin. So this is something really great I got to know about the khadi through Chairman Sir FDCI, Chairman Sir KVIC. So I got a chance to make this collection. I'm highly obliged.
So sometimes what happens is that not that Khadi India that Khadi denim has never been made before. So I'm sure you've heard it in the past. But the fact is, it's priced at a level where people can't afford it. So somewhere near where our chairman lives, there are about 20-30 looms which has been making Khadi handloom for a long time. And he managed to get 63 meters of Khadi were woven specially for Pawan to do that. So it's a discovery that way that we discovered. Otherwise, of course, in Gujarat, you do get that. But in order to put it, Pawan, what he did was he took Khadi and gave it different washes. And that's what made it unique. So Khadi India that way. So I think Samant made a very good beginning. I was most impressed when we started. First we have to welcome Miss Raja Kumari. I think she stole the show. Ek kahavat hai sone pe suhaga. Not that you have loved Shruti's show, but it wouldn't have been complete without Raja Kumari being there. I mean, and the fact that the show started with Khadi, the show went throughout with Khadi and ended with Made in India. I mean, that is what Khadi is all about. So we'll let Saman say a few words about his collection and then we'll ask both of you.
After a long time, it's the purest form of silk, like the place I come from. Everything weaved in Bhagalpur, everything is spun in Bhagalpur. And I remember we did one show, it was opening of Fashion Week 2009. And it reminds me that after so long I did that this show. And just about how we can treat silk with a different texture. And that was the experiment I did. Thank you.
So also, you know, look at the talent. Both the talent we had where we started with a classical dance and how it ended. You know, they also, you know, we on our own, they decided to wear khadi. So nobody really asked them to do that. So both of them, look how beautiful they are. Would you like to say a few words on how?
Thank you so much. Watch all of the collections. As someone who grew up in America but has made the choice to move to India, I'm always this advocate of making people understand that everything that we need is really here. We have the talent, we have the textiles, we have the art, we have the grasp on it. And I think everything that's happening in the world fashion scene, people have always borrowed from us. But I think now that we have designers that are so strong and are willing to take a stand and use their designs to really speak about the textiles that have shaped us and our culture, I think the world has to pay attention to us. And it's India to the world, and we're not just the blueprint from which they take from. So it's an honor to wear Indian fabrics and to be a part of the story that the karigars and the weavers and everything that goes into the fashion. Wherever I go in the world, that's why I said, Dekhna tu mera ye chehra. It's made in India, because wherever our fabric goes, wherever we go, even if you see it on the, you know, the store in Paris or anything, you can tell just by looking at it that that weave comes from our country. So, I mean, that was a really beautiful thing to be able to bring it all together and be a part of this.
And when she was singing Made in India, we saw Milind Soman there tapping his feet. He so wanted to come on the stage to do that, but it wasn't part of the act. So Milind was there for the last, you know, so he's so happy that you sung that song. And his wife said, his wife applauded, his mother applauded. They said, and they thought that I have done it intentionally for Milind.
We did.
And actually Raja Kumari knew that he might come in, so she chose that song specially. Aap bataiye, how did you?
Namaste to one and all. As Mrs. Rajakumari rightly said, Made in India is something which is like dear to all our hearts. And मुझे काफ़ी खुशी हो रही है that FDCIL and such eminent designers have taken this initiative to come up with khadi, to reach out to millions and millions of people. And I feel that Nritya एक ऐसा ज़रिया है how we can evoke that Indian spirit in the youth of India. And of course, through dance, I always believe in sharing my experience and making sure that our Indian culture, our Indian philosophy reaches to many, many more young Indians and many, many more Indians out there. So I feel blessed. Thank you so much.
अब मैं चाहूँगा कि हमने जो नाम रखा नवधारा, उसके लिए हमारी जो CEO हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा उन पोइट्री में बहुत बिलीव करती हैं, तो उन्होंने उसका भी एक चीज़ बनाई, क्योंकि पहले इन्होंने भी एक नाम रखा था।
नहीं मैं सेठी जी को पहले धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी और अध्यक्ष साहब का, because though I am a professional bureaucrat, it has been my privilege कि ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर सर ने मुझे अध्यक्ष साहब के साथ खादी क्षेत्र में काम करने के मौका दिया। इससे पहले मैं वस्त्र के साथ थी, and I am very grateful to all of you that you have done such a beautiful thing. थोड़ा सा हमेशा लगा कि कहानी जो है जो खादी की वैसे सबसे पुरानी है और आगे जाके हम अपना भविष्य भी उसमें देखना चाहते हैं। कुछ शब्दों की कभी-कभी मेहरबानी हो जाती है, तो जब आपने मुझे नवधारा खादी भेजा तो उसके लिए दो शब्द नवयुग सागर बनाए। ये तरह की खूबसूरत धाराएं जो हमारे डांस से शुरू होके हमारे फैशन रैंप पे आप सब लोगों ने आज क्रिएट किए हैं, ये नई धाराएं मिलकर नवयुग सागर बनाएं
स्वदेशी से विकास का हमारे ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर सर का जो सपना है, स्वदेशी से विकास का सपना हम सब के लिए पूरा कराएं। जय हिंद।
Any questions? Otherwise, I want to ask, what is the chairman of KVIC wearing today? So, because can you please tell us, आपने क्या चीज क्या पहनी हुई है?
मेरी जैकेट आज फ्लाइट से आई है दिल्ली से,
पर ये खादी डेनिम
और ये पवन ने रात को बनाई है।
अरे
और मुझे गाड़ी से उतरते ही पहनाई है।
खादी डेनिम
made in India.
मेड इन इंडिया।
Made in India, yeah.
हैं? मैंने रात को इनको फोन किया कि कल आपका शो है डेनिम पे, और चेयरमैन अगर डेनिम पहन के नहीं आएंगे तो फिर शो का मैसेज क्या होगा?
तो खुद ही FDCI के चेयरमैन तो खादी पहन हुए हैं और इन्होंने कहा मैं कैसे पीछे रह जाऊं?
And this is also Tussar. So I think normally people don't link khadi to best quality of silk also. Khadi, hand spun, hand woven is in cotton, silk, polysilk and wool, pashmina also.
और नाउ डेनिम।
And now denim और
And any material. I'm sure we have the designers with us. It's going
सामान्य
to
तो
roll
सारी
around.
जिंदगी खादी डेनिम। और इन्होंने एक और चीज करी है, एक कलेक्शन इनकी इस बार कुछ सिल्क की चीजें, कुछ सिल्क की
So Bhagalpur normally in any part of the world, if you want silk, you have to boil the cocoon, you have to kill the silkworm. But traditionally in Bhagalpur, we collect the cocoon because it's not sericulture, like regular thing. So they collect the cocoon from jungle and then hang it in a room, and they allow silkworm to cut the cocoon and come out. And that's how we get the silk, and that is why you get the uneven texture. So that is very special, which was traditionally, for so many years they've been doing it. Now we are talking because everyone is talking.
एक कुकुन में ऑलमोस्ट 600 मीटर यार्न निकलता है, आपको पता है? एक कुकुन में ये एक मैजिक है जो कि सबको, सब यंग जनरेशन को पता होना चाहिए कि एक कुकुन में 600 मीटर से लेके 1200 मीटर तक यार्न निकलता है, डिफरेंट कुकुन्स में, बट ये टसर कुकुन।
चलो पीछे आओ थोड़ा, एक फोटो लेने के लिए।
ओके लेके आओ। देखिए जब तक राजा कुमारी एक लाइन नहीं वो गाएंगी तब तक फायदा शो में, ये तो स्टैटिक लग रहा है बिल्कुल। एक लाइन
Dhalang gutaka de gutaka tadikina tom Raja Kumari daughter of the king. How long you think that you could keep up with my tempo? Dance to the rhythm, dance in the Himalaya. Ain't hearing what they say. Dinner, heart beating like the bass. Heart beating like the bass. Dhalang gutaka de gutaka tadikina tom dhakita taka jim. Dhalang gutaka de gutaka tadikina tom, dance to the rhythm, dance in the Himalaya. Ain't hearing what they say. Dinner, heart beating like the bass. Made in India. East or West India is the best, okay?
I think this is the best. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So one picture.
One picture.
Yeah.
Dhanyavad. Okay. Nice balance.
Good. I think if you can come here, because it will be more balanced.
Yeah. Yeah, straight here, all of you. Yeah, lovely. Straight here, all of you. Thank you. Thanks.